So that's what we wake up to. So not much more than yesterday night, but a little bit more because the stairs are covered again. Okay, let's have like food or drink and then we'll work outside. It's slightly less cold today because it's -7. Yesterday I think -9 was the warmest, or -10. That's how it looks outside. I'm gonna prepare, feed the cat, change the water, litter, and prepare my stuff to go outside. It's less cold. We have the water again, so I'm gonna take advantage to fill up everything. I have on my tools because first we need to dump the old gasoline from the generator. So I have the pump, the dump, check the oil as a standard, always check the oil. And then before that I need to prepare, open the trunk of my car to put all the tools. So I need to clean that. And then some hot tea. I have water also in the mudroom already. Knife, batteries, and the camera gear. There we go. I'm going to dress up and put my shoes on. I have all my tools here, tripod, everything here in the mudroom, so I don't need to go back and forth and undress. Okay, I'm opening the door. Look at that, it snowed again. And it's still snowing actually. Okay, oh my gosh, it's light snow but snowing. Okay, let's do that. First clean the stairs and then go to the car. That's how it looks, and actually it's more crusty than yesterday. Okay, I'm gonna clean the stairs first so we don't fall or we go back and forth to get the tools. I have to destroy everything because otherwise it's a hassle. Here we go. Here.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on
First we need to excavate that.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
Okay, check the oil, put some gasoline, we are ready to rock.
Down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Plug to the wall and then we need to find the... Elle est devant, je crois. Elle est devant, elle est par là, devant. Ah, c'est parce que ça fait trop longtemps qu'on s'en est pas servi, c'est tout. Là-dessus. very Dalton. That was a struggle, but we did it. That was a struggle. Okay, everything is done. Maybe I should clean those leaves while I'm at it. I'm gonna clean the car so we can move them, because once we have cleaned this area we need to move the car and clean the rest, because otherwise it will be a hassle. Now that the snowblower is running, we'll do the whole 9 yards, of course. So let's try to do a time lapse. That's how it looks. A good 30 centimeters, I would say, maybe 40. And it was drifting, so some spots are more. Here we go. just clean behind, clean a little bit. I need to clean better, but I'm gonna put some more snow on it. So let's do that. Move the car. Barely open the door. Look at that, I'm all to the rim almost. I have some snow in my car now. Nice. There we go. You can see, but I'm trying to do that. Stuck. There we go. There we go. Here we go. I don't see anything. I see better in my phone than. Let's go there. There we go. That's how it looks. So we put it on off. I'm gonna remove the key, safety key, and I think we're good. There's nothing else to do, right? It's all done. Put away the snowblower. Start the star of the day, star of the show. Yeah, it's done. Louder. That's all good. Here too. Let's try not to fall to our face. That's how it goes. Snow is like plastic. The roads look, they've been plowed but not treated, so tomorrow's will be interesting. I doubt that there is mail, but let's check. No mail. The hole. All good. All good. It's not the most we had because sometimes it was like double or triple the amount. But it was a case for the snowblower for sure. Okay, let's go take a hot shower, food, hot drink, and the beer tonight, but after my Tai Chi class. All good. I'm starting to get cold now. And at least it was not too cold to do that because it went up to -4, -9 to -4, so that's fine, as opposed to yesterday was like -11, and the feel like was even worse. I think the feel like is around -4, -5 there. After all the shoveling, I have this little stout. It's not the best, but it's fine because I have my Tai Chi class later on. It's only 4%. But tonight I have a super nice IPA from my local brewery. That's what we wake up to today. It's gonna clean. And it's gonna stay for a few because we have a cold snap that's gonna last at least 10 days without going into positive, into above freezing. It means like -6 sometime at best. So, and -17, and the V like even lower. So this snow is gonna stay for a few.